it going, my beardless brethren, and welcome back to another video. Plenty of you have asked, and so I will deliver and telling you how I do my minoxidil routine. Usually the first thing I do is I wash my face. I did it. If my face is especially dry, I might actually even put a little bit of lotion on before the minoxidil. Usually I use Nivea Soft, which doesn't have DHT blockers. So I grab a milliliter of our golden liquid here. I'm going to drip that by accident. I usually start right at the end of my sideburn, and then I kind of draw out where I want my beard to be. And as I go, I kind of squirt a few drops out, and I make sure to get this sideburn area especially well. I hope I'm filming this well. And then I go up and down with it, and I rub it around like this. You can see this is causing my face to break out. Now we're going to do the other side. I don't usually apply left-handed, so this is interesting. The more I have practiced, the less I've accidentally gotten in my mouth, which has been great, but I still do sometimes, which majorly sucks. This stuff tastes horrid. I make sure I get high enough that I can get enough coverage up there. I don't want to miss anything. Move on to my mustache usually. Whoop, I'm going to get it in my face. I just about got it in my mouth. That's gross. I spread that around. I go up and down a little bit to get under the hair. Keep spreading. Get right here. And I spread that around. Sometimes I do one of these boys. Today was arm day at the gym, so this is exhausting. And then I usually drip some down my cheek and I pull it down here. This is really weird to do left-handed. If you just try to drip straight here, it's gonna fall and just drip on your shirt. So I usually drip some on my chin and pull it down to my under chin here. Make sure I get enough under there. Get this side of my face here. Pull that under there. If I have any extra, I put it in the spots I especially want it to grow, which is right here, right now, and then these two spaces. I'm barely filming myself. Then I give it one more good whack around, that's the wrong word, to make sure it's all smoothed in. After that, I wait 4 hours, and then I wash it off, put on some lotion, and at night, I do the same thing. I hope this has been helpful to you. Right now, I've got about 8 or 9 days of growth on my face, so as you can see, it's working. I'm going to keep it growing for a little bit. We'll see where it goes, and I wish you the best of luck in your minoxidil journeys. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss a single video on my facial hair. I love you appropriately, and I'll see you in the next video.